What's up everyone, today I will repair this circuit. This is a Whirlpool AC circuit. You can see this AC circuit condition is much better. I don't know what is the problem in this circuit. Let's check what is the problem. Here is a one AC circuit remote. Remote is working fine. Okay, first of all we need to input this current in this circuit. Let's see which is the pin for AC input. This one is AC input pin, and this one also AC input. Is the blue and brown color is the AC input, and this is the output. That means this is the our compressor line, output line. Okay, okay, this one is AC input, and another one is red color. That means this one. Okay, our AC line is complete. That is maybe, and this is the display board. Now plug in the AC. Now light is glowing. Just turn off the AC. I can see. You can see when I press the power button and AC circuit turn off. Again I am power turn on the AC circuit. Yeah, it's turn on. But here is a no. But circuit is nothing happen. You can see. Let's check the power. Unplug the AC power. Before we work, we need to know something about this circuit. This is our main motor line, that means fan line, and here is a swing motor line. Okay, when I turn on the AC circuit, that means here I will get the one voltage from here. Let's see that voltage is have or not. Before we working, we need to open this connector. Do not need this connection. Turn on the AC circuit. Let's check some essential voltage which need for circuit. Here is a no voltage. You can see. I hope it should be here 220 AC volt, but no voltage is available here. Okay, you can see meter lead, and this is the common pin. You can see here it's come from the yellow cable from AC line. Okay, no voltage is available. Now let's check some voltage from here. This is our memory pin, 24C04. Here is some common voltage. We need to check this. This is the main positive voltage, 5 volt. Sorry, I need to change the meter scale. This one. You can see here is a 5 volt is available, and here is a also 2 pin. One pin is HDL and one pin is HCl. I can see HCl pin voltage. Here is a 5 volt and HDL voltage. Maybe here is a should be standby 5 volt or 4.7 volt, but that voltage is not available here. We need to check this, why down this voltage. First of all, I open this IC pin, memory IC pin. Okay, after that here is no voltage. After opening that pin, you can see that voltage is dropped. That means memory this memory IC is okay. Now I need to open the system IC pin, system IC HDL pin. Now which one for the system IC HDL? That means this one means that pin. AC power. What happened? Turn on the circuit. This circuit is turned on, but I need to check this ACL voltage, that voltage is available or not. Sorry for that. Yeah, you can see that voltage is available, and this voltage also available here, almost 4.7 volt. I can use this. I can use here digital meter. Okay, now check voltage here is okay or not. You can see here is a 4.93 volt, and SCL voltage also 4.93 volt. That means that voltage is okay. If I calculate that, maybe that system IC is not performing as well as good. Okay, when I close this pin, that voltage has dropped. When I open that, you can see here is a voltage 4.93 volt, or when I close the pin, that voltage has dropped, and you can see this voltage is also okay. When I open or close, both time this voltage is showing. This pin voltage is okay. That means that IC has damage. Before we find out that, we need to check some another voltage. Here is in this circuit. Just close the pin. Essential voltage is that we need to check the relay voltage, that is okay or not. Here is a 3-piece relay. This relay is controlling our main fan motor. Okay, this relay 12 volt is okay or missing, we need to check. I have it as the ground pin. From ground, oh, here is a no voltage. Here is a no voltage, and this pin also no voltage available here. But as per my opinion or observation, here is need some voltage for working this relay, at least this relay input voltage. Let's check. But here is no voltage is available here. Now I need to find out this voltage, where it come from. Let's check this, the voltage. As per my understand, this pin should be input voltage, this pin. Okay, this pin means in this pin comes from this jack. This cable is okay. This from after that it will come here and here. These voltage come from this power supply. Okay, we need to check this. This is the ground pin. Here is a 4.4 voltage available, but here is no voltage is available. Here is a 0 voltage. Okay, that means 5 voltage is okay, but 12 voltage is not available here. Here is one rectifier diode, AC to DC converter. Meter is clearly showing okay, but I will change this diode. But maybe this diode is not passing the voltage from the power supply. Okay, now I will open the one single diode. This diode, I have opened this diode from another circuit, another power supply. Just checking this voltage. Now plug in it. Yeah, maybe that means okay. Here is making a beep. Yeah, you can see here is a voltage 12.12 volts. Okay, let's see our main motor voltage is available or not. Okay, here is a 12 volt. Now we need to place the circuit. The voltage, you can see here is a motor voltage has come. Let's turn on this circuit. You can see here is a motor voltage available, main motor voltage. That means that is okay. Our system is okay now. Now I will check the outdoor. It will take some time for opening for running the compressor. Now let's see. You can see our compressor also on. That means that circuit is absolutely okay. Now it will be work. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel.